Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Village to Fluent. So dear friends, I hope everyone is doing great. I'm also good. So before I starting my video, I just want to tell something what I have experienced yesterday. So sometimes you need some rest and relax as well as because you don't know that how you feel stress, okay, and how you can overcome those kind of stress. So the one solution for that is called traveling, because if you're traveling somewhere and you saw some new things and you also adopt some new culture, so it also give you relaxance. So that is the same thing I have experienced yesterday, because yesterday I visited two places, okay. So that is called one is Kapaleshwar temple and other is Joronda. So Kapaleshwar temples means it's very famous, okay, it's well known, and Joronda also. And you know what, our ancestor told us that if you did not if you could not able to go to Kailas, then you should go to Kapaleshwar. And if you don't go to attend Mohakam, then you should go to Joronda, because Joronda is also very famous because of the saints. Okay, so the saints come to here from very distance or far place. So yesterday I also visited that place, and that place was out of my expectation, because I thought it's a very normal place. Okay, we will go to that place and we'll come very soon, but unfortunately we spent more time there. First I went to Kapaleshwar temple, okay, and I want to show all the places, but because of less time, so I could not see. I want to go to another side, Joronda, because it's very famous. So it's like the Mohakumbh in our sides. Many saints came from outside to visit that place and worship for that place. So that's why I had to go to that place very soon. And once I reached that place, so it's absolutely very good, okay, and I enjoy a lot. And so the point is, whenever you go to any new places and whenever you go to outside, so it gives you more relaxation. So that's things I have experienced. So if you have a little bit stress, so you can go also in this way and try to get relaxed, okay. So this is the things, and I enjoy a lot with my uh, parents, because my parents also joined with me. So it's very good, because going with friends it's good, but with parents, so it's another satisfaction. So that's things I have experienced yesterday. I also feel very good for this. So dear friends, these things I learned from that previous experience, and I can say you that if you want to improve your English, so definitely you can practice in this way, because I also can record my video for yesterday, but my past tense is little bit problem, so that's why I thought today I will record it and I will be speak only in the past sentence. So I did it. I know there are a lot of mistakes on my sentence, but it's okay. It's because now I'm learning, so it's good for me. So dear friends, you don't wait for a perfect time, okay, you just start something, okay, in this way, and you try to uh, express your thought in this way. So dear friends, already some of neighbors are coming here, so that's why I want to finish it, okay. And thank you for watching my video, because you are giving your important time to me to watch my video. So have a good day. So dear friends, you can see this is a one temple that is called Sai temple, and look at this place, how the environment is very calm and everywhere is serene. Now Right now I'm standing at the exact point of Kapileshwar temple, and look at this crowd. And it's not only small, so it's very huge at this moment. And there are so many persons already visited that place. Okay, dear friends, right now I'm standing at Jorunda, and you can see Vincent is also there. So look at this crowd. So it's not only this much. So after evening it will be growing. Okay, and there is some sense. Okay, they are just doing their nam sankirtan. Okay, so you can also see their bodies, and this is their culture. And this is the specialty about them. So they are looking like this. Their appearance like this. Okay, and you can see this is the place. I don't know what is the place, but this is actually temple, and there are some kind of puja part they are doing, and people watching it very closely. Okay, and so you can see every persons, every cultures, every religions came to here to watching this, and besides one person also, they are doing something I don't know, but this is the real view in this place. Okay, and look at the crowd, and there is something doing one sense. Okay, and look at this. So they are doing some kind of puja part at 1 p.m. Okay, so they are celebrating in this way. They are worshiping their gods in this way. So it's very good. Okay, and it's another satisfaction. So it's very different from others. So like if you go to any place, so you can see their god, but in here you cannot find any gods. Okay, so right now you can see they are doing some kind of work. Okay, so work means they pray to their gods in this way. Okay, they doing some kind of salam. Okay, and you can see there are a lot of saints they are worshipping. So there is they are in this way they are just worshiping their gods. Okay, so yeah, it's very good, and look at the view. So it's very good, and evening many people will become. Okay, because we are right now standing there at 1 p.m. So that's the reason you can see the less people, but you can find after that the crowd will be drastically increasing. Okay, so right now we are moving to our home because we are already watched a lot of time, but we cannot see or cannot show my camera all here because sometimes it's also a restrictions. We cannot allow your mobile phone everywhere.